Hi Bird, I just wanted to say happy birthday. I wrote this song for you. I hope you like it. Thanks for all the cool and joyful experiences. How many fruits did you eat to save all those nets? I remember the day I met you. I wanted to be friends. Thinking about the time we gave each other tattoos. I know they were temporary, but yours looked pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. And Dino escaped, he just ran out your door. I felt a little bad cause he made it to the ground floor. Remember that weird Scientology place and the lady with the sequin top mixing vinyls for days, for days, for
They were super cool. They're like super awesome.
So maybe it's fate or it's just life's design that we caught the same tram and we went to all those drag nights. So let's get some dumplings and sing some Del Rey. Doesn't matter what we do cause you're kind of slay. You're kind of slay. You're kind of slay. Kind of slay. Go play your video games.
egyik tolbúcsúzó, Samás